I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can create yourself a Groupon account. First, you want to search for Groupon sign up. Then you want to click on this button called sign up Groupon, and it's going to take you to groupon.com. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you to this page. Now from over here, you can create your account in two ways. You can either use your Google or your Facebook to automatically create yourself an account, or you can use your email to do that. For that, first click on I'm a new customer, and over here enter your full name. And after you enter your full name, over here your email, make sure you enter a working email, because in the future if you lose your account, this is the only way you guys can recover it. And over here where it says password, create a password for your account, and once your password is created, make sure this button is tick marked and click on sign up. Once you do that, an account under this email, this username, and this password will be created. That's how simple it is to create yourself a Groupon account. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel, how to guide for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.